Have you ever wondered if there is a hidden power in the plants around us? What if I told you that simple herbs like bay leaves and mint could influence your success? Stay with us till the end of this video to uncover the secrets these plants hold and how they can change your life. You won't believe how these everyday plants can turn into powerful allies in your journey towards success. Bay leaves, often used in cooking, have been revered for their mystical properties since ancient times. In Greek mythology, bay leaves were sacred to Apollo, the god of prophecy. Ancient Greeks believed that burning bay leaves would bring visions and clarity, guiding them towards their goals. Today, many people still use bay leaves for spiritual purposes. One common practice is writing a wish on a bay leaf and then burning it, believing that the smoke will carry their wish to the universe. It's a simple yet powerful ritual that you can try at home. Mint, on the other hand, is more than just a refreshing herb for tea or a garnish for dishes. In ancient Rome, mint was associated with hospitality and was used to welcome guests. But did you know that mint can also attract abundance and prosperity? The fresh, invigorating scent of mint is believed to uplift your spirit and attract positive energy. Placing a few mint leaves in your wallet or keeping a mint plant at your workspace can help attract financial success and new opportunities. It's an easy and natural way to invite prosperity into your life. These herbs can also be used in aromatherapy to enhance their effects. Burning bay leaves or diffusing mint essential oil can create a calming atmosphere that helps clear your mind and focus on your goals. When you are clear and focused, you are more likely to achieve success. Try creating a ritual where you meditate with the scent of these herbs, visualizing your goals and the steps you need to take to achieve them. Combining the power of your mind with the natural energy of these plants can amplify your efforts. Let me share a personal story. A friend of mine was struggling to find a job. She felt discouraged and lost. I suggested she try using bay leaves and mint in her daily routine. She started by burning a bay leaf each morning, focusing on her desire for a fulfilling job. She also kept a mint plant on her desk to keep her spirit uplifted. Within a month, she received a job offer that was better than she had ever imagined. She believes that the ritual helped her stay positive and focused, leading her to this opportunity. You might be skeptical, and that's okay. But think about it this way. Even if these plants don't have mystical powers, their presence and the rituals around them can have a psychological effect. They can help you feel more grounded, focused, and motivated. And when you feel good and think positively, you are more likely to attract good things into your life. It's the power of positive thinking combined with the natural energy of these plants. You can also use these herbs in your cooking to enhance their benefits. Add bay leaves to your soups and stews to not only enhance flavor, but also to imbue your meals with positive energy. Use fresh mint in your salads or drinks to refresh your mind and spirit. Cooking with intention, knowing that these herbs carry a hidden power, can make your meals more nourishing, not just for the body, but also for the soul. Let's not forget the importance of setting your intentions. When you use bay leaves and mint, take a moment to set a clear intention. What do you want to achieve? Whether it's success in your career, financial abundance, or personal growth, be specific about your goals. The more clearly you can visualize your goals, the more likely you are to achieve them. And these plants can serve as a daily reminder of your intentions, keeping you focused and motivated. To wrap up, bay leaves and mint are more than just kitchen staples. They are powerful allies in your journey towards success. Whether you use them in rituals, aromatherapy, cooking, or simply as a reminder of your goals, these plants can help you stay focused and positive. Try incorporating them into your daily routine and see how they can make a difference in your life. Remember, the power of these plants lies not just in their physical properties, but also in the intentions you set and the energy you put into them. If you found this video inspiring and want to learn more about the hidden powers of everyday things, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment sharing your thoughts or experiences with using herbs for success. Thank you for watching. And remember, success is just a bay leaf and mint away.